Welcome to the Windows Computer Technology channel and an interesting report that comes out of some documentation on Microsoft talking about Wi-Fi in Windows. Particularly one of the interesting aspects of it, which is the type of Wi-Fi that you have. Your network adapter has, a technology of Wi-Fi that could be Wi-Fi 5, 6, 7, and so on. Actually, 7 is the new Wi-Fi standard that will be coming out in 2024, apparently. So, what's interesting with Wi-Fi 7 is that Microsoft is in documentations kind of saying that they will not give Wi-Fi 7 capability to Windows 10. They will on Windows 11 and 12 and whatever future Windows, but they will not on Windows 10. So this is kind of interesting. It's not like Windows 10 cannot do it or anything. This one is AC. AC, I believe, is Wi-Fi 5. There's AX, Wi-Fi 6. And the next technology will be, of course, Wi-Fi 7. I had a few people say, well, isn't this bad or sad? Or, I'm not sure it's that much of a problem for a very simple reason. If you have Wi-Fi 6 and you have a good internet speed, it's actually pretty fast. And honestly, I'm always a little, behind in the Wi-Fi because I never really buy each new technology as it comes through. And anyways, new machines with the new adapters will all be Windows 11 machines. So, it could be sad for some that really want to go there that it would not be available in Windows 10. But I don't take this as much of a big deal personally. And Windows 11, they're saying in the different documentations that they have that Windows 11, 12, the selling point of Windows 11 and mostly 12 will be that, we got the new Wi-Fi 7 speeds in here. So I don't think for me that would not be a selling point personally. Wi-Fi 6 is fast enough, and I can bet you that the majority of Windows 12 machines coming out at first will all be anyways with Wi-Fi 6, not 7, as these new technologies are always more expensive, and 6 is enough. Honestly, I don't think this has much of a big problem. It will probably be more of a nuisance of anybody keeping their Windows 10 machine, buying new hardware, new routers, and wanting to go there and finding out that Windows 10 will not. But for the rest, it's not a big deal. And for the majority of people, I don't think it's a big deal. Wi-Fi that they have is probably fast enough anyways the way it is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.